Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing that solving the linear equations or simple equations in trial and error method, elimination method and then transposition method or direct method. So these methods we have learnt in the last classes. So there are three methods. In that methods, the transposition method is very easy to solve the simple equation or linear equations in one variable. Is it right, students? So that method you only practice much time. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the next exercise, that is exercise 4.4. In that exercise we are discussing that applications of the simple equations. So in our daily situations, see students, first question I will show now. The first main C question I will take. Some questions I will show, remaining questions you have to solve at home. So C is there. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. So they are given in the sentence, we have to write in the first equation form. Understood? Set up in the equations form and solve it and find the value of the equations and the x value. Is it right? So let us start it. If I take this sentence, I will write in the equations form. So how can we write in the equations form? So if I take 3/4 of a number, 3/4 means 3/4. 3/4 means 3/4. 1/2, 1/4 means 1/4. 2/4 means 2/4. Like this. 1/5 means 1/5. 1/2 and 2/5. Like that. See, 3/4 of a number. Yado number is there. Our number is a 3/4 of a number, and 3 add to it. We should add to that 3/4 of the number. We can get. So we should get the 21. So let the number be x. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So if I take 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of a number means 3/4 of number, 3/4 of a number, and add to it. How much we should add? 3. We should add 3 to it. We can get means is equal to. So get means what? Is equal to. Get, is, was, will. So like this words is indicated as is equal to. So it is equal to how much we can get? 21. So now we have to solve these equations. Very simple, students. 3/4 of means into number. What is the number of a number? What is the number be? I will take it as x plus 3. It is equal to 21. Okay. So now 3/4 of x means 3x/4. It means into. Of means into 3x/4 plus 3. I will send to the RHS. It become -3. 21 minus of 3. Therefore 3x/4 it is equal 21 minus of 3. What will you get? 18. Is it right? 21 minus of 3 is equal to 18. Now the 4 I will send to the LHS. Sorry, RHS. It become 3x. It should keep in the LHS. It is equal to 18 into 4. We should write like that only. You need not to multiply that. Okay, students. So now x it is equal to 3. Have to send to the RHS. 3 and x in between, which sign is there? Into. So if it is go to the RHS, it become divided. Therefore 18 into 4 we should write as it is, divided by 3. Now we have to write it. Now we have to divide it. Very easy to divide from 3. 3 1s are 3, 6 are 18. Now 6 and 4 we should multiply that. 6x is equal to 6 4 so how much? 24. So a number ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ 24. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ 3/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗ. See, 3/4 of a 24. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 21 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 4 1s are 4 6 are 21. 6 4s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 3/4 of a number. Correct? So 4 1s are 4 6 are 6 3 is how much? 18. 18 plus 3 how much? 21. Is it right? So this is the verification. Okay. So next student. Next one. So this is the question number C. I will go to the question number E. Meena subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. See students, Meena subtracts thrice the number. I don't know what is the number. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay, subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ 3 size of a number of notebooks. Number of, let the number of notebooks, this is the number of notebooks be x. Okay, so that number of notebooks I don't know, that is called as x. ಎಷ್ಟಿರೋ number of notebooks ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ 3 ಪಟ್ಟು. ಸಪೋಸ್ number of notebooks 10 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರ 3 times ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3x 30. ಸಪೋಸ್ 10 notebook ಇದ್ರೆ 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಇದ್ರೆ 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So thrice of the number of notebooks, okay, he has from 50 in the thrice of number of notebooks na subtract ಮಾಡಿದರೆ he finds that result to be 8. so ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. that means see, subtract, ಎಷ್ಟರಿಂದ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, see, from 50. so first 50 we have to write it. so subtract, we should write down, subtract thrice of a number, thrice of a number, subtract thrice of a number of notebook from 50. he get how much, 8. okay, so subtract, what we have to subtract, 3 thrice of a number of notebooks. Number of notebooks is x, thrice of a number of notebooks is 3x. we have to subtract it from 50. therefore 50 minus of 3x, he get means is equal to what we get, 8. now minus 3x have to send to the RHS, 8 have to send to the LHS, because of 50 is the constant term and 8 is also constant term. we have to write in the one side of the equation. 50 plus 8 it becomes minus 8. so minus 3x if it is go to the RHS, it becomes 3x plus 3x. so 50 minus 8 it becomes 42, which is equal to 3x. I want x, we should keep in the x in the RHS side only. so 3 have to send to the LHS, what it become, divide 42 divided by 3. so 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. okay, therefore x is equal to what, 14. therefore the number of notebooks is 14. there are 14 notebooks he has. okay, so next, next student, question number F. I will go to question number F. Ivanhoe thinks of a number. Ivanhoe, she one of the girl, she thinks one of a number. Which number she is thinking, I don't know. Let us, we can take it as x. if she adds 19 to it, ಅವಳು think ಮಾಡೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 19 ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಬೈ 5. we should divide from the 5 that sum. she will get how much, 8. see students, very simple. let Ivanhoe thinks the number, let Ivanhoe thinks the number be x. I don't know which number she is thinking. okay, now what we have to do it, she adds 19 to it. so ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 19 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 19 ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಸಮ್, ಈ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು 5 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. she get how much, 8. see, very simple, x plus 19 we have to write in the LHS, 5 have to the RHS, it become what, 8 into 5. now x plus 19 it is equal to 8 5s are 40. therefore x is equal to 40 plus 19, if it is come to the minus 19, therefore x it is equal to 21. 40 minus of 19 is equal to 21. understood? so like this we have to solve these kinds of problems. okay, so remaining questions are there in the first main, there are remaining 3 questions are there, so you have to solve in your home. okay students, so now I will go to the question second main, solve a question. I will take 2 questions in the second one, third questions I will take 1 questions, third main. okay, you have to remaining 2 questions are there, you have to solve in your home. I will go to the question number A in the second main. the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. the highest marks, HS means highest mark, I will write in the shortcut method, short form. HS means highest mark, highest marks, highest score. the highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? LS means lowest score. Okay. First, the highest score means 87. So, lowest score we don't know. What is the lowest score? We don't know. That's why we can take it as X. Let the lowest score be X. So, what is the highest score? Highest score is equal to 87. So, in a class, the teacher tells in the class one, I don't know what is the class. So, in that class, she conducted one test. In that test, the highest marks, highest score in that class, it is 87. So, lowest score. How it is in the lowest score? See, very simple, students. The twice of the lowest score, the highest marks obtained by a student. Highest score is, see, highest score is twice, correct? The highest score is obtained by a student in her class is means is equal to the highest score is twice. Yes, the highest score is twice the lowest marks. Lowest marks means lowest score. Highest score or lowest marks. Plus 7. Okay. See, students, highest score. What is the highest score? 87. Means is equal to twice of the lowest score. Twice of lowest score. Twice means 2. Lowest score, I don't know. We can take it as X plus 7. This is plus 7. Plus 7. So plus 7. Now, students, plus 7 I have to send to the LHS. It becomes plus 87 I have to write to the LHS. Plus 7 it becomes minus 7. It is equal to 2x. Now 87 minus 7 it becomes 80. It is equal to 2x. I want x. So we should keep in the RHS. We should send to the LHS to the 2. So 80 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 0. Therefore x is equal to how much? X is equal to 40. Understood? Therefore the lowest score is 40. Understood? 40 na double ಮಾಡಿ 80. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 7 add ಮಾಡಿ 87. Is it right? Correct? Yes. So like this we have to solve it. The next question number C. I will go to the question number C. B question is there. Very easy is there. So I have to solve it now. Okay. Next I will go to the question number C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. ರಾಹುಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವನು ಡಬಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾನೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು 50 ರನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಸಚಿನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಸಚಿನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 100 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ is 25, so Sachin scored is 50, like that. I don't know what is the score of Rahul, so that's why we can take it as let the score of Rahul be x and score of Sachin be 2x, and together runs 10 is short of a double century. ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರದ್ದು ರನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿಗಿಂತ 2 ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 200. ಎರಡು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 198. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 198 ಇಬ್ರು ರನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ be x. Sachin score be twice of the Rahul score. Twice of the Rahul score. Okay. So Sachin score, I don't know. Sachin score B is equal to twice of the Rahul score. 2 times the Rahul score how much? 2x. Therefore, the Rahul score is x and Sachin score is 2x. So together, the score of How much together runs? Tell two short of a double century means. So short score of together is how much? Short of double century. Yes. So score of together score how much? So one is x and another one is 2x. So x plus 2x is means is equal to short of double century means 200. So short of two short is 2 short of double century. 2 short of double century means we have to subtract it from minus 2 from 200. It become what? 198. So we have to write in the bracket 200 minus of 2, it is equal to 198. Now students, so 2x plus x, 3x, it is equal to 198. Now x it is equal to 198 whole of 3. So 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. Again 3 6 are 18. Therefore x is equal to 66. This is the which score? Rahul score. So Rahul score x is equal to 66 runs. Like Sachin's score it is equal to 2x. So 2 into what is the next value? 66. 66 into 2 how much? 132 runs. Correct students? So if you are adding these two numbers we will get 198. Shall I? 2 plus 6 8 and 3 plus 6 9 6 plus 2 sorry 6 plus 2 8 6 plus 3 9 1 as it is 198. Is it right? So the Rahul score is 66 and Sachin's score is 132. Understand students? So like this you have to solve it. So in the last questions I will go to move on to the last question. In the third main I will show only one question. So remaining two questions you have to solve in your home. Okay? Yes. B. In that B, third one B. Lakshmi's father is 49 years. Lakshmi's father age how much years? 49 years. He is means Rahul father age. For Rahul father is 4 years older than 3 times the Lakshmi's age. Lakshmi age ಗಿಂತ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ thrice times ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 3 ಪಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the age of Lakshmi? So we don't know what is the age of Lakshmi. That's why let age of Lakshmi be x years. Okay, I don't know. So Lakshmi's father age. Lakshmi's father age. I know what is that? It is 49 years. Correct. So he is 4 years older than thrice of 3 times of Lakshmi age. Lakshmi's age. So this is the sentence. This sentence we have to write in the equations form. He is means father. Lakshmi's father age. How much years? 49. Lakshmi's father age is 49. Is means is equal to 4 years older than. 4 years means 4 plus older than means jasti, lesser than means kadime. So younger and elder. Younger means kadime. Elder is also jasti. Elder means we have to do add. Younger means we have to subtract. So older means also we have to do additions. So 4 plus 3 times of Lakshmi's age means x, 3x. Now we have to solve it. So 49. So plus 4 if it is means minus 4, it is equal to 3x. 3x have to write in the RHS. So plus 4 have to send to the LHS. It become minus 4. 49 minus 4 how much become? 45. 45. It is equal to 3x. No, I want x. X keep here only. 3 have to send. It become divided. 45 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. So what is the remaining? X is equal to 15 years. So which age is this one? So this is the Lakshmi's age. Therefore, Lakshmi's age, x is equal to how much here? 15. Yes. Understood. So Lakshmi's age 4 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ 15 3 45 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 years add ಮಾಡಿ 49. That is the Lakshmi's father age. Is it right 49? Yes. So like this we have to solve it. Okay students. Dear students, this is the exercise 4.4. The remaining questions are there in your textbooks. So 2 or more questions are there. So you have to solve in your own. This is the homework for you. So until this is the last exercise in this chapter. This chapter will be completed, students. In the next classes, we have to discuss the new lessons, that is lines and angles. So that chapter we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay. Thank you, students.